But what is mastery? Mastery is another name for self-governance. To self-govern your life. And so I've been interested in what is it that makes self-governance? What is it that allows you to have control of your own destiny and not be at the whims of the outer world? You remember on The Secret, I said that when the voice and the vision on the inside becomes louder and more profound than all opinions on the outside, you've begun to master your life. So I want to address what that is and how that is fulfilled and what does that entail. So I'm going to do that by addressing the discipline that is the most significant discipline I've studied in the last 287 disciplines, and that is axiology. So some of it will be reiteration, some of it will not. Every human being sitting in this room and every human being that you'll meet or interact with, young or old, regardless of race, creed, color, age, or sex, is going to live by a set of priorities, a set of values. And you are one of those individuals living by a set of priorities. And whatever those priorities are, I'm going to draw them up here. Actually, I'm going to need different markers. Maybe we can have some fresh markers, because these are a little dry. Got a blue one at least. Everybody lives by a set of priorities, a set of values. Whatever is highest on your value, I'm going to call HV. And where it's lowest on your value, I'll call LV. This highest value is sometimes called the highest priority. And of course, the lowest value would be lower priority. And the thing that's highest on the values is what is most important. What is lower on the value is obviously least important. So you have things that are more and less important in your life. Would you agree? Now, this is incredibly significant to your destiny because the structure of these values, which I'll call the value structure here, or sometimes called the hierarchy of values, dictates your destiny. The hierarchy of your values dictates how you see the world or perceive the world, what you decide in the world, and how you act in the world. So your sensory cortex and your awareness, your motor cortex and your actions are all based on your hierarchy of values. Would you agree if your highest value is raising a beautiful family, when you walk in a mall, you'll see a whole lot different things in the mall compared to if your highest value is being an entrepreneur. You'll both filter the malls differently, see the malls differently. Whatever you see in the world is a reflection of your bias and your filtering mechanism of your values. So your highest values is constantly making you alert. Your reticular activating system in your nervous system is heightened and alert to things that help you fulfill your highest value, and shuts down to things that are lower on your value. So anything that comes along that helps you fulfill your highest values, you're awakened to, alert of. Anything that's not, you shut down to. That's why a woman whose highest values are children can sleep through a freight train but wake up in a monitor of a child that's whimpering, because she's got that selective biased attention and intention according to those value systems. That highest value has been called the telos by the ancient Greeks. And the telos is the end in mind. Now, Napoleon Hill called it the chief aim. One of my teachers called it the magnificent obsession.